After 1962 war, China is in confidence and India under the pressure and fear. And because of this, China threatened India to vacate the Nathula location, the location which is lying near to Sikkim area. Even the High Commission of India has ordered the battalion of Major General Saket Singh to vacate that location. But Major General Saket Singh has refused to vacate the location, and the war for 3 days in 1967, the skirmish between India and Chinese troops proved that India now is not weak. About 300 Chinese troops were killed. It is saying that 47 helicopters came from China to collect the bodies of those killed soldiers. This decision of Major General Saket Singh proved very righteous in 1971 war also. Because of this 3-day skirmish, China didn't dare to enter into the war between India and Pakistan. And Nathula location, being at a very high position, has proved it a very courageous and righteous decision. This a small anecdote is the attitude of a leader, which proved a very right decision. My name is Bhavna Kapil. Today I am going to represent a PowerPoint presentation on the book Fish, Remarkable Way to Boost Morale and Improve Results. The book is written by Stephen C. Landon, Harry Paul and John Crystal. Why to recommend this book? Why should we read this book? It helps to change the attitude, learning from anything, and nothing is impossible. These are the preachings we can gain after reading this book. Now let's move. What is in the book? What is its story? There was a couple named Mary Jane and Dan. They are very happily married couple having 2 children and they are working professionals. They are very happy. But suddenly the husband died. The Dan died. And Mary Jane, now she is the only earner, only bread earner of her family. She has to feed her family, her kids. She is working at First Guarantee Financial. She has a very good reputation, very good professional, very good supervisor. Now looking into her good performance, management has decided to promote her. But this promotion is very challenging. She was going to get promoted as a manager of 3rd floor department, and that department is the worst department of that organization. Words like unpleasant, zombie, slow, negative, wasteland were used. She was very tensed. She knows the terrible reputation of that department. Mary Jane has a boss named Bill, and the Bill boss needs improvement in that department. That department has earned a very special name, that is toxic energy dump. Then one day, out of all tensions, this Mary Jane, she was going for lunch and suddenly she went to a world famous Pike Place fish market. That market was very crowded, but positivity, full of positivity was there. Not only the customers, but the people who are serving the customers, they are so delighted. Everyone was laughing, enjoying, full of energies. She felt very good there, felt positiveness. There she met a man called Leonie. Now this is the person, Leonie, who taught her the lessons of life, and those lessons were implemented by the Mary Jane in her professional as well as personal life, and it turned to a miracle. toxic energy dump department has been transformed to full energetic department. This is the picture of that fish market. Everyone is so delighted, full of smiles. Now, what are the lessons which we gained after reading the book Fish? Attitude. Your attitude is everything. Play. Play while working. Enjoy your work. Make their day. Make your companions, your surroundings happy. Be present. Live in present. Be involved. Now further we'll be discussing all these lessons. Now first lesson is attitude is everything. Choose your attitude. There is always a choice about the way you do your work, even if there is not a choice about the work itself. आपको क्या काम मिलता है ये आपकी चॉइस का नहीं हो सकता, बट आपको वो काम कैसे करना है वो बिल्कुल आपकी चॉइस पे डिपेंड करता है. अरे व्हाट वेदर इज इट, आज कितनी बारिश है. इट्स सो मडी. वाओ, व्हाट अ वेदर. Monsoons, lush green, so refreshing. I mean, loving this weather. So it depends upon you how you have to react. Enjoying, feeling good, or dull, tired, all depends upon you only. Choice is yours. Either you have to smile or make dumb faces. In 2011, a normal girl who is a sports person, she got selected in CISF. Unfortunately, her Aadhaar card has wrong date of birth. Now to correct this date of birth, she had to move to her native place. The same day she went in the train. In the compartment she was sitting, full of crowd. 4 thieves. They suddenly started molested this girl and they tried to snatch the gold chain of this girl. Being a sports person, she self-defended and started fighting with them. But these thieves had thrown this girl out of the running train. She fell on the track. And as she fell on the track, a train passed over her left leg. Continuously for 7 hours, she was lying on that track, and 49 trains were passed over her left leg. Mouse, चूहे started eating her injured leg in front of her. How pain was she? Then in the morning, people saw her lying. They took her to the hospital. Their doctor advised her to use the artificial leg, prosthetic leg. She was so sad. But in 2013, just after 2 years, she became the first amputee to climb the Mount Everest, world's highest peak. Choice is yours. She chose to conquer, not to shatter. Second learning is enjoy. Happy people treats other well. Fun leads to creativity. Time passes quickly. Having a good time is healthy. Work becomes a reward and not just a way to rewards. आपका काम ही उपहार बन जाएगा. Enjoy your work to the extent you can. Now in this book, Mary Chen, what she did, some tricks to make her organization, her work more enjoyable is, she posts signs saying that this is a playground. Watch out for adult children. This workplace is a playground. Let's play and work. Add more colors and make the environment more interesting. Add more life with plants and an aquarium. Instructions they are giving in creativity. Special events such as a lunchtime comedian. Form an ongoing play committee to keep the ideas flowing. This we can follow in our organization also, that is by cracking jokes, sharing ideas, sharing smiles, laughters. Play is energizing. Enjoy your work. This is a picture. This is a picture of Himachal, a small village where ladies are enjoying. The ladies who did their all household works, they are not wearing very good clothes, very good shoes, and they are here performing rice harvesting, dhan ki katai. Still they are enjoying. In between, when they are feeling tired, so they choose to enjoy, to dance. While enjoying playing, they are doing their work. Third point is make their day. Focusing your attention on ways to make another person's day provides a constant flow of positive energy. As I said earlier also, if you are happy, you are making the others happy, your surrounding is happy, positiveness, positive abha chakar will be there. Be happy and spread the happiness. It is good for business. Serving customers well will give us the satisfaction that comes to those who serve others. It will focus our attention away from our problems onto how we can make a positive difference to others. If there are small issues, small problems between us and customer, that can be solved in a very amicable way. This is healthy. We will feel good and will unleash even more energy. A constant unresistance amount of energy will be released. Make someone's day. Create energy and goodwill towards others. Be involved in the process. Praise, smile, gifts, rewards. This is a picture of a child. And the best example of making anyone's day is a child. Whenever you are feeling sad, tired, fatigued, dull, just talk to a child. His innocence, his smile will make your day. So be the person, be a child that any person who is coming in contact with you are feeling delighted, happy. Last point is be present. This picture, it is showing a person who is superficially saying hi. That is, superficially means fully engaged. You are engaged with the person. But are you focused? Are you with the person who with you are? So be focused there. Be involved. Past is history, future is a mystery. Today is a gift. That is why we call it the present. We cannot hold the past. We cannot control the future. So start living in the present. Become engaged with each task. Focus on the people around you. Here I want to take the illustration from the book itself. The third floor, which was earlier toxic energy dump, there was the one man Jack, and he says that when our department was considered as a negative, I was also dull, and whenever I go to my home, I feel so dull, negative. So my daughter says, let's play, Papa, please give me some time, let's go for shopping. But I don't. I always procrastinate. Okay, we will do. Now my daughter is 15 years old and I feel I hadn't give her time. I should. But instead of repenting that I wasted my 15 years, let's start now. Let's be in the present. Today, from today onwards, now I'll started giving time to my daughter. Either be 5 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, whatever time I'm having, I will be with her, engaged with her. So just look into it. Are you focused on the people around you? And the most important thing to focus is listening. Listen to your colleagues, listen to your partners. Listening skills, it improves your attention and focuses. Now these two are the favorite quotes from the book. Treat others as you want them to treat you. आप वैसा व्यवहार आगे से करो जैसा आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हो. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. If you want to change the society, first should be you. Change should start with you only. रहने दे आसमां ज़मीं की तलाश कर, रहने दे आसमां ज़मीं की तलाश कर, सब कुछ यहीं है कहीं और ना तलाश कर, जीने के लिए एक कमी की तलाश कर. थैंक यू.